My name's Josh Burt from Action Corrosion. I'm here today to tell you about our new product, the Action Mac Port Cleaner. It comes in a 100ml spray pump bottle and it's designed to clean all the ports in your Apple Mac products. Once they're cleaned, it leaves a protective layer to stop corrosion in the future. Over time, ports collect dust and grime from desktops, briefcases, or it is transferred from dirty leads. If the ports are not cleaned and maintained regularly, corrosion will set in. Connection problems, including charging difficulties, can be attributed to poor port maintenance. Step 1. Lightly spray the ports and remove any excess product with a soft cloth. Step 2. Apply Mac Port Cleaner to a soft toothbrush and lightly brush the ports. Step 3. This is a very important step. Clean the leads with the product to stop corrosion and grime transferal. Just remember that anything that's on the leads will end up in the computer ports, so it's vitally important that these are cleaned regularly. Step 4. Once clean, spray the lead end and push it into the port. Jiggle to break up any grime. Remove and wipe clean. Repeat this process for any data leads, charging leads, and earpiece leads. On behalf of Action Corrosion, I'd like to thank you for your time. If you'd like any more information on our Action Mac Port Cleaner or any other products in our range, please go to www.actioncorrosion.com.au.